I got a request from my two good friends to do chicken 65. For this recipe, I'm using some chicken thigh fillets cut into cubes, or you can use chicken breast instead, that should be boneless. So a little bit of salt, yogurt, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, ginger and garlic paste, some dried red chilies and green chilies, curry leaves. For the marination, I am using corn flour and a little bit of rice flour, 1 onion, and to marinate I am using little bit of turmeric powder, chili powder, black pepper powder and some coriander powder with an egg and some lemon juice. If you like, you can add a little bit of red food coloring to get the real red color as in restaurants. To do this, into this I am going to add all the spices and mix it really well. Into that, add enough salt, ginger and garlic paste, and a little bit of lemon juice, and leave it to marinate about 1 hour before adding the flour. When you are doing chicken 65, if you like, you can add a little bit of yogurt to marinate the chicken. Meanwhile, add the flours together. When you add a little bit of rice flour, it gives a nice crispiness to the batter, so that's why I'm adding rice flour. So mix it well and mix it to the chicken. When the oil is hot, add chicken one by one into the oil and fry it until golden brown. While frying the chicken, add the yogurt into a bowl, and into that going to add a little bit of chili powder and a bit of salt and mix it really well. If you like, at this point you can add a little bit of a drop of red food coloring just to get that nice redness that in restaurants that you see, and give it a good mix. And after that, I'm going to leave it aside and fry the other onions and the chilies. After frying the chicken, add a little bit of oil into a pan, not much at all, and into that add the onions, curry leaves, and if you like, a little bit of cumin seeds. That will give a nice aroma. And into that add the chilies and the red chilies and fry it until it becomes nice golden brown. After frying the onions, add the yogurt into that and cook it about a minute or two. When the yogurt mix is thicker, add the fried chicken into that and let it coat all the yogurt. And chicken 65 is ready to serve, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching.